This is OpenWorker, an AI agent running entirely on my Mac. I gave it one sentence, it's searching my GitHub, counting last week's commits, and emailing the report. Within 1 week, it has scored over 7,000 stars on GitHub. The team behind it is led by Andrew Ng, AI legend who co-founded Google Brain, Coursera, and influenced a generation of AI talent. 2026 is a year of work agents. Claude Coworker was released in January, ChatGPT Work followed in July, but what really is an agent? OpenWorker gives us a chance to lift the curtain and see the inner workings behind the magic. In this series, we're going to dive deep into the design of OpenWorker, and by the end, you will know how to build a desktop agent from scratch. Hi, my name is Intel. I've been building agents for the past year, and I've spent hundreds of hours making AI actually do the work for me. Along the way, I've built a personal data warehouse, an ontology system, and a desktop agent of my own. I'll be walking you through OpenWorker and share lessons I've learned over hundreds of hours and billions of tokens about desktop agent harness. If you only remember one slide from this series, it's that OpenWorkers can be simplified into 3 systems. First, OpenWorker is actually 3 apps in one: an app, an agent server, and a UI. The app wrapper is what makes it double-click installable, and it handles OS-native features. The server contains all of the core logic and data for using AI. Lastly, the UI gives user a way to visually interact with OpenWorker. The second system lives inside of the agent server. The bottom is a provider-agnostic LLM layer. This allows OpenWorker to use any company's model, switch anytime during the session, including local models over Ollama. On top of it sits the agent engine. This is the classic agent loop. The model decides, tool executes, and the results go back to the model. Repeat until the task is done. And the tool ranges from file systems and shell commands, all the way to Slack and Gmail. The agent also bundles a permission engine. Every tool has a permission by default. Reads are usually allowed, writes often require approval, so you don't accidentally send an embarrassing message to your coworker. If you want to run recurring tasks, engines also come with a scheduling function. The last part is unglamorous machinery that keeps the system reliable and running. To prevent work being lost in case of power loss or app quits, each conversation is saved to an append-only file, and all the sessions are saved to a database. When long tasks are running, the app caffeinates the computer so it doesn't go to sleep and cut power. There are also more software engineering details like testing, packaging, but we'll go over them later. Here's why I think this series is worth your time. If you're learning AI engineering, this is a complete working MIT licensed agent you can read end to end. A textbook that runs. If your software developer tries to understand what's actually inside of these AI products everyone's shipping, this is a clear reference design that you can tinker and build on top of. And if you're non-technical but you want real intuition for how AI agents work, what happens between I typed a sentence and the work is done? I'll be updating daily. In the next episode, we'll follow one message all the way from your keyboard to a shell command, and you'll see all 3 pictures come alive at once. See you there.